How to use Grab Pay Later in Malaysia. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Grab Pay Later in Malaysia. To do so, first of all, open your Grab application on your mobile device, and in this page at the bottom you will be able to see currently selected country. Tap on it and here select Malaysia. Here select the city, and once you have set it, now open any web browser on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. In the search bar here type in grab.com/finance. Now search for it. You will be taken to the official website of Grab. Here you will need to scroll down, and then there you will be able to locate Activate Now button. Tap on this button. Now this will take you to your Grab application. Here in this page you will be able to see this information. Go through it. The Pay Later feature has 0% interest and you will earn Grab rewards points every time you use Pay Later service. You will need to pay next month or over 4 installment in this feature. Here tap on this Activate Now button at the very bottom, and then you will need to follow the prompts to complete the activation process. After activating this feature, when you make payments for Grab services, you can select Pay Later as your payment method during checkout, and there you may choose to pay either in full next month or in 4 interest-free installments. Make your selection based on your preference and confirm your payment by entering the one-time password sent to your mobile number for security verification. You will receive notifications for upcoming payments and reminders. Make sure to keep track of your payment schedule within the application. So by following these steps, you should be able to use Grab Pay Later in Malaysia. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.